What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Let's do something a little bit differently today. We're going to hop on the charts. I'm going to talk about a basic concept called support and resistance, and maybe the most basic concept in all of trading. But when you really master this, it can be extremely powerful. And so, just a quick definition here for you. Support is a price level where price is coming to it, rejecting back up, serving as kind of a floor, okay? And then just the opposite for resistance. Price is going up, gets rejected down, and resistance is serving as a ceiling on the top there, okay? So let's look at a couple examples here. So, I see one immediately right here, right? What happened there? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to draw a line here. Price comes up, boom, gets rejected here. Comes back to that price, boom, gets rejected again. It's coming down, it's coming down. And then boom, boom, boom. 3 big candles. You see that? Let's zoom in. You see how big these sky blue candles are? It took 3 of them to power through that. And then check this out. It comes back, retests it again. Look at this wick. It closes, or I'm sorry, it comes all the way down here, but it closes right at that line, right at that level, and then keeps going up, comes back down, throws an MES, comes back up, and then finally with a big candle, breaks down below it. Here we go. It comes back, gets a soft rejection here, but then finally comes through. And then once again, it comes back, rejects that price before finally moving up. Okay, so that would be, a support turned resistance, resistance turned support. It just flips back and forth. Basically, guys, it'll go through it, come back and retest that same level, and you can find a lot of good entries there. Okay, let's look at another one. I see one, right here. Okay, comes up. You remember those 3 big candles? It created a good level of resistance right here. Came back, rejected. Eventually came back up to it, wicked. You see this wick? Wicked through, but closed underneath again, comes back down. Wick to it straight again, comes back down. Finally, we get a big candle through it, and then look at this. It even touches it again there on that dark blue candle, and then this sky blue with the big wick right there touched it again, okay, before moving up, okay? Pretty wild stuff. Now, let's look at one more. I see this one right here. Okay. So now we've got it. We created some resistance with that candle there, comes back again, rejects again, hangs out here for a little bit, finally, eventually pushes through, and then comes back, retests it here, and then goes up, retest it here again. That one looks like it might be our signature entry right here. Hang on. Here we go. Yep. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. Those 2 right there, that's a perfect railroad. You got the 50 right there. Guys, if you haven't been to signatureentry.com, I'm telling you, go check it out. Extremely powerful signature entry that will have you in profit in 15 minutes or less most of the time. Okay, so again, we get that entry and then we get up. It tested again here. Wouldn't break our stop. It doesn't break that low right there. And then boom, off we go. Okay, you definitely would have caught, let's see how many pips this is. The purple line's at 110.90. What's this? 140, call it 50 pips. That's 50 pips right there. And that's in one day. We're on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so that's 50 pips in one day. Okay, not too bad. Okay, guys, I know this might have been a little fast for some of you, but hey, feel free to go back, rewatch it, pause it, if you want to check out some details of what I talked about here. But I hope this helps. If you really master support and resistance, guys, you can earn pips on just a break and retest of support and resistance levels. So hope that helps. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.